Hey, how's it going? I'm Alex, and today let me show you this motorcycle helmet that this brand sent to me for this video. I have to say that the design of this thing, it is just fantastic. Not only the design wise, kind of like the graphics and everything, but also kind of like the helmet design with some of the aerodynamics. For example, this one right here, you have the back section for better kind of like airflow, and also just to not have like a backlash, like a whiplash, you know, or backlash. Actually, it's backlash. Whiplash? Well, you know what I'm trying to say, like when you are riding fast or something like that. It also, I do like the interiors right here because it has something that I really like, that is the chin protection right here. This one is going to go down on your chin, so you're not going to have any like too much air pressure coming through. And also it has a really nice foam all over the helmet, which I think it is also really good. Of course, DOT approved, as you can see right here, so that's one of the most important things for the motorcycle helmet. And of course, I want to just rip this one out, but check this out. Check some of the details right here. Check some of the graphics. This looks just fantastic, man. I have to say that it looks really, really cool. As an ex-motorcycle rider, because I used to have so many motorcycles before, I actually had 7 on my lifespan. I don't have motorcycles anymore, but I know everything about helmets. I may have tried probably more than 15 helmets or so. So I'm gonna just rip this one out. I don't want to, because actually it looks really cool. And then you're gonna see the most perfect thing on this visor right here. Let's actually see if it can reflect a little bit on the sun. It is polarized, but of course it has this really nice kind of like blue-ish polarized that it looks fantastic. Let me try it on. By the way, this one is the large size. Okay, check it out. A few things. I hope that you can hear my microphone. I do like this. This is perfect. And also it is easy to take off if you want, but it's not gonna move. See, if I do this, it's not gonna move. So that is really cool to have. Of course, you can just adjust it and adjust the strap a little bit more for your head, but this is just perfect. It feels fantastic. It feels really comfortable. My head is not kind of like, you can see this one is the most important thing when trying a helmet, like your cheeks right here. It's not moving at all, but I do like 2 things. Number 1, this one right here, the main one, you can see how cool this one is and how the sound is kind of like isolated, as you probably can hear my voice. So I'm gonna just take it out this way. I think it was right here or on this side. This one right here. Okay, it's up front. But then check this out. Boom. This is the most important thing. Having this polarized visor when you're riding and during the day, but you want to have some airflow, you can use double like this. But of course, if not, just having this one with the retractable thing right here, it is super, super important. Of course, it also comes with airflow right here that you can remove, and also right here on your chin. So that's gonna be another good one. But I have to say, this helmet looks fantastic, fits really good. It has the double thing, as I was just telling you before. And of course, it's gonna be really good for your riding experience.